Just again, I want to thank everybody for coming, and I want to thank JT and Aimee for having us here to celebrate your special day. I'd like to also point out that this is an adult-only resort, so that means I can say whatever the hell I want in this speech.
A long 2.5 years, but well worth it to be here to celebrate with you all. It really means the world to us.
We're up when we should sleep. No better company I keep. Old record spinning round. Quiet rooftop city sounds with you. With the moonlight, if we keep quiet, we could have the world to ourselves. Just a little can have the world to ourselves. Just a
We wanted to take this opportunity to thank our parents who helped make this wedding possible and for all their support over the past 2.5 years during the wedding process. Damn it. We love you guys so much. I would especially like to thank my soon-to-be wife, Aimee, for everything you did to keep everything on track and just thank you for all that. I'm very lucky to wake up next to you every day.
Love you.
She's way better of a planner than I am, so this is really good.
God, never seen a day like this. Finally getting that sun-kissed bliss. Good God, it feels like there's nothing missing. Filling my cup with some love in the kitchen. 'Cause I'm so sweet, super Sony, over easy. Can't get enough of that good stuff. Gotta soak it up.
Today is finally here. It's been a long time coming. And I know that JT and Aimee both expressed their gratitude for all of the efforts that you guys made to get down here. But we too, Patty and myself, and I'm sure I speak for Jan and Dan when I say how grateful we are that you're here to celebrate two wonderful people. So JT, he's the eldest of my 3 sons, and he's always been a caring soul. Aimee, well, she is just the loveliest young lady. She is driven and passionate. To JT and Aimee, I wish you the longest love affair. Damn it, I almost got through. The longest love affair known to mankind.
I, JT, stand here ready to take you, Aimee, to be my wife, best friend, and lifelong partner in marriage. For years now, we have always said our relationship is a partnership and we are teammates in all aspects of life. I'm so blessed and happy we get to make that official today.
Today, as we stand here in front of our family and friends, I'm so grateful and proud to officially choose you as my husband, and I will continue to every day forward. You are my best friend, my favorite adventure partner, and the love of my life. I want to share a few promises I make to you today as we are about to embark on one of life's greatest adventures, becoming husband and wife. From now and each day forward, I promise to grow alongside you, but also to never grow up. Help shoulder our challenges and celebrate all of our little wins together. And I won't keep score, even though I'm very competitive.
Getting married in Jamaica is so incredible, but honestly, you always make me feel like I am in paradise. From this moment on, with you by my side, I promise that I will give you the future you deserve, be the best father I can be when we decide it is our time, and continue to be a teammate who matches your energy, compassion, and intellect.
I promise to put us first each and every day when we're young and running around until the days we're old and gray. And I promise to always say yes to new adventures with you. You are my calming force in my home, and I'm so proud to become your wife. Je t'aime pour toujours. Means I love you forever and always. In French.
We can't kiss yet.
I pronounce that you are husband and wife together. You may kiss your beautiful bride.
You want me to dip you? I did it. We did it.
As for my brother, so you know how in movies it's always the older brother who's mean and bullies the younger one? Well, that was not the case in our household. I can promise, for lack of better words, it was me. I was a little shit and he was nice. JT never did anything wrong and I was always getting into trouble. My big brother would always come and stick up for me. And what did he get for that kindness? Just general rudeness, antagonistic behavior, and one time I threw a rock at his head. Despite me giving JT a hard time, I have always looked up to my big brother. I never really wanted him to know it though. Honestly, I think right now might have been the first time I've ever said that to you in person. He just cares so much and always wants people to be happy. And when I see how much he loves you, Aimee, and how happy you two make each other, all I see is great things in your future. I wish you both nothing but the best, and I can't wait to celebrate with everybody here today, tonight, and the nights moving forward. Cheers, everybody. I love you.
It's telling me get up and get out, get up and get out, get up and
big sister was interesting to say the least. She really helped pave the way through high school. Teachers would ask, "Oh, you're Aimee Mishu's sister?" Yes. Well, that pretty much meant if I had any grade below an A, they questioned whether or not we were truly related. Thanks for that. Jokes aside, I have always looked up to you and continue to. Aimee is the type of sister everyone wishes that they had. As far back as I can remember, she has always been there for me to turn to. Whether it's needing advice, good news, bad news, or just to hear me complain, which, let's be real, is majority of the time. I honestly don't know what I would do without you. Everyone here is lucky to know you and have you in their lives. I wish you a lifetime of laughter and happiness. May the road be long and the party never end. Cheers.
Don't run away from your love. Don't turn away from the heart of the groove, from the way that we move. Kill the lights, we can't lose. Kill the lights and look right at me. Close your eyes, you can see me by the way that I feel. Kill the lights and touch my body. Close your eyes, you can see me by the way that I feel. Come and spin me around, let's get lost in the sound. Close your eyes, you can see me by the way that I feel. Touch my body, kill the lights tonight. Let's live our life. Tomorrow doesn't always come. Don't try to hide, let's have some fun.